Over the past few days, Nepal has faced one of its most severe weather events in recent history. Continuous, heavy rainfall has caused widespread flooding and landslides, devastating communities across the country. Schools have been closed, roads are blocked, and entire villages have been submerged underwater. In this video, we'll explore the impact of this disaster and what is being done to support the affected communities.
अब यतिखेर लाइफ ज्याकेट लिएर आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ तल लग्यो अब कसरी बस्नु भयो होला यतापटिबाट देखिदैन.
The flooding began after several days of relentless rainfall, which overwhelmed rivers and lakes across Nepal. More than 50 people have lost their lives, and many more are missing. As water levels rose, landslides swept away homes and blocked vital roads, leaving thousands stranded.
बिचारा बगानी कसरी बाँच्नुहुन्छ
For those affected, the struggle is far from over. Families who have lost their homes now face an uncertain future. Many have been relocated to overcrowded shelters, while others wait for news of missing loved ones. With roads destroyed and communication lines down, accessing help has become a challenge for many. Amid the chaos, humanitarian organizations and local authorities are working tirelessly to deliver aid. Rescue teams have been deployed to the hardest-hit areas, providing food, medical supplies, and temporary shelters. However, the scale of the disaster is overwhelming, and more help is urgently needed to support the thousands of displaced families. As the floodwaters continue to rise rapidly, many people were forced to flee to higher ground and nearby mountains to save their lives. Seeking safety, families abandoned their homes and moved toward elevated areas and hilltops, trying to escape the devastation below. These high areas became temporary refuges, providing shelter from both the rising waters and the risk of landslides. The high ground has provided temporary protection from the fast-rising waters, but the steep terrain has made it difficult for rescue teams to reach those who have taken refuge on the slopes and ridges of the mountains. For now, the high ground provides safety, but the threat of landslides and blocked roads keeps them on constant alert. While the floodwaters will recede over time, the challenges for the people of Nepal will continue. Entire communities are waiting to rebuild, and countless lives affected by this tragedy are waiting to be saved. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive such news.